All right, morning everyone. For those that were able to log in and join the Zoom meeting, thank you again. But for those that were unable to, I do want to give you guys an update of what to expect. Okay, so if we look at our schedule, I do want to kind of keep on this pace. So we're going to talk about the workshops and continuing those this Wednesday. So I'll send an email out mentioning which video or story we're going to talk about. But then if you look at here, I do want you guys to start this beat sheet, which we'll talk about a little bit on Wednesday. But really what I want to mention right now is keeping up with this schedule. So I'm going to show you how this corresponds to Isidore. So if you look at the actual schedule, we do still have the reading, and then it says contradiction. What is stopping your protagonist with antagonism? If you go from that schedule and come into your lessons, underneath the lessons, it should be on the one that says fade in. I'm going to have those corresponding to these actual drop downs. So if you can see contradiction, what is stopping your protagonist? If you drop down here, this is how I want you guys to actually use this writing or this lecture to work at your own pace. So you can see right here, this is what we were supposed to read for today. This is just kind of a quote pulled out that I want you guys to focus on. Then you'll notice that we have writing prompts. So just like the beginning class, I want you guys to go through your writing prompt, who or what is your antagonist, try to answer these questions. Once you feel, spend 3 to 5 minutes on that. Once you feel good that you've answered all of this, go in. I'm going to use lessons from a screenplay because I think Michael still has so many videos that we have not viewed that I think really help as a solid resource to our lectures. So this one, The Dark Knight, for many of you have seen it. We know Heath Ledger's performance is not only, excellent, but it's really because of Jonathan Nolan and Christopher Nolan's writing of that antagonist. So please watch this video. Take some time to think about what you learned from this video, how it corresponds to your story for the writing prompt, and then come back down to the very end and looking at your writing prompt through your antagonist point of view. With this, each scheduled day, so I'm going to have Zoom meetings as our office hours during this scheduled class time. So you can always hop on. I will be logging in every day during class time, so you can log on and ask me questions as you guys are working through this. I'm happy to answer and work through with that as well. If you want to do it outside and schedule a time to work, you can do so as well. So I can hold office hours at other times. So as much as this is going to be a change, it's still, one of those things we can write anywhere, so you guys can write at your own pace, but I still want to make sure you guys are progressing and working forward to kind of stay on pace for the remainder of the semester. As we move forward, I will give you guys more updates in terms of our final scripts and kind of working through these exchanges for your drafts. So please let me know if you have any questions. Other than that, just want to wish you guys good luck, stay healthy, and stay